粗，粗。
thick, coarse, rough, gruff, careless, rude.
粗，粗的反义词是细，细。粗的意思是毛糙、不精致、不光滑。
It means rough, unrefined, not smooth.
这件工艺品做得太粗。这件工艺品做得太粗。这件工艺品做得太粗。
This work of art is too crudely made.
粗的意思是不细心、不周密。
It means not careful, not thorough.
我粗略地看了一下，抓住了几个要点。我粗略地看了一下，抓住了几个要点。我粗略地看了一下，抓住了几个要点。
I took a quick look and caught a few key points.
粗的意思是颗粒比较大。
It means that the particles are relatively large.
粗盐含有较多的矿物质，能为食物增添风味。粗盐含有较多的矿物质，能为食物增添风味。粗盐含有较多的矿物质，能为食物增添风味。
Coarse salt contains more minerals and can add flavor to food.
粗的意思是指圆柱体的横剖面积大。
It refers to the large cross-sectional area of a cylinder.
这根柱子很粗。这根柱子很粗。这根柱子很粗。
This pillar is very thick.
粗的意思是声音低而大。
It means a low, loud sound.
他的声音很粗。他的声音很粗。他的声音很粗。
Her voice was gruff.
粗的意思是行为粗鲁、无礼。
It means to behave rudely or disrespectfully.
他是一个粗人。他是一个粗人。他是一个粗人。
He is a rough man.
粗心。粗心。
Careless.
粗心。粗心的近义词是马虎。马虎。粗心的近义词是大意。大意。粗心的近义词是疏忽。疏忽。粗心的近义词是鲁莽。鲁莽。粗心的近义词是随意。随意。粗心的反义词是细心。细心。粗心的反义词是仔细。仔细。粗心的反义词是谨慎。谨慎。粗心的反义词是认真。认真。粗心的意思是做事马马虎虎或不仔细。
It means doing something carelessly or without care.
你太粗心了，竟然把电邮地址写错了。你太粗心了，竟然把电邮地址写错了。你太粗心了，竟然把电邮地址写错了。
You were so careless that you wrote the wrong email address.
做事不能那么粗心，要小心谨慎。做事不能那么粗心，要小心谨慎。做事不能那么粗心，要小心谨慎。
You can't be so careless when doing things. You have to be careful and cautious.
由于他太粗心，所以考试不及格。由于他太粗心，所以考试不及格。由于他太粗心，所以考试不及格。
Because he was too careless, he failed the exam.
促进，促进，
Promote.
促进。促进的近义词是推动，推动。促进的近义词是促使，促使。促进的反义词是阻碍，阻碍。促进的反义词是阻挡，阻挡。促进的反义词是妨碍，妨碍。促进的反义词是阻止，阻止。促进的意思是促使并推动事物向前发展。
It means to cause and push something forward.
政府可以通过降低利率来促进经济增长。政府可以通过降低利率来促进经济增长。政府可以通过降低利率来促进经济增长。
The government can promote economic growth by lowering interest rates.
多做运动可以促进身体的新陈代谢。多做运动可以促进身体的新陈代谢。多做运动可以促进身体的新陈代谢。
Doing more exercise can promote the body's metabolism.
用温热水泡脚，有助于血管扩张，促进血液循环。用温热水泡脚，有助于血管扩张，促进血液循环。用温热水泡脚，有助于血管扩张，促进血液循环。
Soaking your feet in warm water can help dilate blood vessels and promote blood circulation.
促使，促使。
Urge.
促使。促使的近义词是推动，推动。促使的近义词是促进，促进。促使的近义词是督促，督促。促使的反义词是抑制，抑制。促使的反义词是阻碍，阻碍。促使的反义词是妨碍，妨碍。促使的意思是推动并采取行动使事物发生或达到一定目的。
It means to move or take action to make something happen or achieve a certain purpose.
父母的一番劝告，促使他下定决心，改过自新。父母的一番劝告，促使他下定决心，改过自新。父母的一番劝告，促使他下定决心，改过自新。
His parents' advice prompted him to make up his mind to turn over a new leaf.
那次失败的经历促使他更加努力地工作。那次失败的经历促使他更加努力地工作。那次失败的经历促使他更加努力地工作。
That experience of failure motivated him to work harder.
团队的齐心协力促使这项任务顺利完成。团队的齐心协力促使这项任务顺利完成。团队的齐心协力促使这项任务顺利完成。
The team's concerted efforts enabled the task to be successfully completed.
促销，促销，
Promotion.
促销。促销的近义词是倾销，倾销。促销的近义词是推销，推销。促销的近义词是营销，营销。促销的反义词是滞销，滞销。促销的意思是指采用降价、赠品、折扣等各种方法和手段，向消费者传递产品信息，刺激购买欲望，促进销售，扩大市场份额。
It means to use various methods and means such as price reduction, gifts, discounts, etc. to convey product information to consumers, stimulate purchasing desire, promote sales, and expand market share.
促销可以在短期内增加销售额和营业额。促销可以在短期内增加销售额和营业额。促销可以在短期内增加销售额和营业额。
Promotions can increase sales and turnover in the short term.
通过良好的促销活动，提升品牌知名度。通过良好的促销活动，提升品牌知名度。通过良好的促销活动，提升品牌知名度。
Enhance brand awareness through good promotional activities.
当需要清理过剩库存时，促销特别有效。当需要清理过剩库存时，促销特别有效。当需要清理过剩库存时，促销特别有效。
Promotions are particularly effective when excess inventory needs to be cleared out.
措施，措施，
Measures.
措施。措施的近义词是办法，办法。措施的近义词是方法，方法。措施的近义词是对策，对策。措施的近义词是举措，举措。措施的意思是 为解决问题或情况而采取的解决方案、方法或行动方针。
It means a solution, method, or course of action taken to solve a problem or situation.
完善的紧急应变措施有利于事故发生时控制现场局面。完善的紧急应变措施有利于事故发生时控制现场局面。完善的紧急应变措施有利于事故发生时控制现场局面。
Complete emergency response measures are helpful in controlling the situation on site when an accident occurs.
在家中必须采取一些安全措施，例如防范触电、滑倒和火灾。在家中必须采取一些安全措施，例如防范触电、滑倒和火灾。在家中必须采取一些安全措施，例如防范触电、滑倒和火灾。
There are safety measures that must be taken at home, such as protection against electric shock, slips and falls, and fire.
我们必须采取预防措施来应对传染病。我们必须采取预防措施来应对传染病。我们必须采取预防措施来应对传染病。
We must take preventive measures to deal with infectious diseases.
谢谢观看。